In this video, we discuss castor oil's benefits for hair growth. What science says. Does castor oil actually help hair growth? Many users have shared their experiences after using castor oil. This man used castor oil and rosemary oil twice a day. He got this result after about 4 months of use. Really, the result is unbelievable. This woman had a bald spot on his head. She applied castor oil twice a week. After 2 months, new hair is coming out and filling that spot up. She believes after 2 more months that spot will look completely full and back to normal. This oil also helps to grow eyelashes and eyebrows. This woman used lash serums like Rodent Plus Fields and Babe Lash, but her lashes fell out in clumps when she stopped. After using castor oil, they're growing back and stopping from falling out. It's amazing. Castor oil is a natural herbal product obtained from the seeds of the castor oil plant. The product has a moisturizing and caring effect on the scalp, stimulates hair growth, and strengthens hair follicles. It has a preventive effect against dandruff and prevents dryness and flaking of the scalp. Hair becomes elastic, flexible, and manageable. Using oil on the ends of the hair has a protective effect against their splitting and further delamination, and gives a healthy look and shine. What is the secret of castor oil? And why castor oil is beneficial for hair? The secret of castor oil's effectiveness is not really a secret at all. It's all about its composition. The oil is almost 90% ricinoleic acid, which strengthens hair follicles. It also contains 4% linoleic acid. Linoleic acid helps to moisturize the scalp, promote hair growth, and prevent hair breakage. 3% oleic acid. Oleic acid seals moisture inside the hair and prevents dryness and breakage. 1% stearic acid. Stearic acid restores damage. Less than 1% linolenic fatty acids. Linoleic acid normalizes fat balance and has an anti-inflammatory effect. Palmitic acid strengthens the roots and prevents hair loss. How to apply castor oil to hair. Castor oil is very thick, so it can be mixed with other oils that are good for hair. Such a mixture will be easier to apply. For example, argan, coconut, almond, or shea butter are suitable. Mix a teaspoon of castor oil with other oils in a 3:1 ratio. Add 1 to 2 drops of your favorite essential oil, because castor oil itself has a not very pleasant aroma. Close the jar with a lid and shake thoroughly. Pour hot water into a bowl and place the jar in it for 3 to 4 minutes. No water must get inside. Apply warm oil to damp, towel-dried hair and distribute along the length. If your goal is to combat split ends, you don't need to apply it to the entire length of your hair and roots. Put on a plastic cap and a towel over it. If you apply oil only to the ends of your hair, wrap them in film and secure them with rubber bands or hairpins. Which is the best castor oil for hair growth? Each of these options has its strengths depending on your hair type and specific needs. Cold-pressed, organic castor oil is usually a safe and effective choice for general hair growth. In our previous video, we discuss about best cold-pressed castor oil. You can watch this video by clicking the I button. What are the side effects of castor oil on hair? While castor oil is generally safe for most people, there are a few potential side effects to be aware of. Allergic reactions. Some individuals may experience allergic reactions such as itching, redness, or swelling. Buildup. Castor oil is thick and can be difficult to wash out completely. Overuse can lead to buildup on the scalp and hair, potentially clogging hair follicles and leading to reduced hair growth. Dryness. In some cases, castor oil may cause hair dryness if not used correctly or if left on for too long. Ensure you rinse it out thoroughly and consider following up with a conditioner. Castor oil offers a natural and potentially effective solution for improving hair health and promoting growth. While scientific evidence is limited, many users report positive results with regular use. Patience and consistency are key, as noticeable hair growth may take several months. By understanding how to use castor oil correctly and being aware of potential side effects, you can make the most of this versatile oil to achieve healthier, stronger hair. If our video is helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching till the end.